In front of me is HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to adjust colors on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick display and brightness, and here you will notice color mode and temperature right here. So you can pick whichever mode you would like to apply, and also you can change the temperature, so it's not only warm or cold, you can totally personalize it right here. And also you have three options, so you can choose default, warm or cold, but obviously you can also do it your own way. And this is it, so you can personalize color mode in your HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.